Expressions quiz knowing. It tests comprehension of common English expressions used when talking about knowing or not knowing something. Read each sentence and chose the answer with the closest meaning to the words in italics. Number 1. I failed the exam because I went to a party instead of studying. I should have known better. A. Acted more sensibly. B. Known better people. C. Been better known. Known better means letter A. Acted more sensibly. Number 2. Jenny works in personnel, so she's in the know when it comes to promotions. A. Important. B. Well known. C. Knowledgeable. In the know means letter C. Knowledgeable. Number 3. When Isaac Newton saw an apple fall from a tree, he had a light bulb moment. A. Suddenly lit up. B. Suddenly understood. C. Suddenly felt light-headed. Answer is had a light bulb moment means letter B. Suddenly understood. Number 4. After reading an article on quantum physics, I was none the wiser. A. As confused as before. B. Much less confused. C. As wise as anyone. Answer is none the wiser means letter A. As confused as before. Number 5. Charles drives a taxi, so he knows this city like the back of his hand. A. Hardly at all. B. Reasonably well. C. Extremely well. Answer is letter C. Extremely well, like the back of his hand. Number 6. After getting to know our neighborhood, they started to feel at home. A. Reading about. B. Hearing about. C. Becoming familiar with. Getting to know means letter C. Becoming familiar with. Number 7. Ben doesn't know the first thing about fixing cars, and he still got the job. A. Knows nothing about. B. Knows a little about. C. Knows everything about. Doesn't know the first thing about means letter A. Knows nothing about. Number 8. If you're up to speed on futures trading, you can make money on the futures market. A. Using the speediest apps. B. Getting the latest information. C. Making the quickest deals. Answer is letter B. Up to speed means getting the latest information. Number 9. When it comes to corruption, everyone who lives here knows the score. A. Knows the cost. B. Knows the truth. C. Knows the result. Answer is knows the score means letter B. Knows the truth. And number 10, last item. None of the players knew the club was bankrupt. The owners kept them in the dark. A. Didn't want them to know. B. Forgot to let them know. C. Didn't want to expose them. Keep them in the dark means letter A. Didn't want them to know. This video ends here about expressions quiz knowing.